Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Well, SUI, of course, we're gonna see it a little bit, just quick update here on the all-time history. It's not so long, and we're gonna dive later, of course, in the correction. So we simply have a three-wave zigzag. Wave A, wave B, still, of course, unfolding, potential one more low before we push toward the upside here as an ABC. Or we are, of course, in double 1-2, very low possibility. Wave 2 is too long, too deep, and also very complex. So basically, ABC, I mean, not very complex, but of course, ABC here is very, very long in time, yeah, based on the wave 1. So highest possibility for wave B. Let's dive inside the correction here. Inside the correction 2 hours chart here, we are looking, of course, at this correction, which is very complex, which it can be, of course, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, very long correction for wave 4, by the way, based on the wave 2 that you have here. The alternation is horrible, right? So it's a very, very long time for wave 4 based on this wave 2. Therefore, yeah, I start to doubt it somehow, but we cannot yet make sure that we are looking for higher unless, of course, we get some signals. So basically, inside it, what we are looking at here, we have three ways up for a W or a wave A, followed by three ways down, which it can be, of course, a wave B here or a wave X over there. Now, you will tell me, okay, if this is a wave X, that means, of course, you are looking here at something as a wave Y. Now, yesterday I mentioned wave Y might be the triangle. So we took, of course, the confirmation for higher, and that means the invalidation of it, meaning the triangle is out. That is a good point here. So we're out of this scenario, meaning the X can be only over there. Currently, if we are still looking for an X and a wave Y, meaning the wave Y is a potential flat or zigzag, yeah, it can be 5 waves, wave A, B, and a C. You're looking here after a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You still need one more high, by the way, potentially to finish, of course, this, because obviously this is only 5 waves for a wave 3 here, and you might still need one more push toward the upside to finish a 1-to-1 fib level there as a wave Y. Now, in case we are in an A, B, and a C, the wave C is unfolding as an ending diagonal, which is also 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I'm still looking here also at a new possibility that it might unfold from there as bullish. And this might mean, of course, you can still looking for a little bit lower and then pushing for higher in a wave 5 here. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yep, so basically right now we see, of course, somehow an impulsive move. So it can be, of course, the ABC zigzag for a wave 4 here and a wave 5, which it can be, of course, an ending diagonal there, and then pushing, of course, for lower again. Yeah, so yeah, the things are still, of course, a question mark here. What is going on in the market? It's very, very, of course, long sideways here. And based on the timing here, it doesn't correlate for any of these waves there. Unless you are looking for a large correction, which it might be, of course, in confluence for several 1-2s here. Even it cannot be really so much related, yeah. I'm afraid that those are several 1-2s, and then it turns to 3, 4, 5, or let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5, and then 4 and a 5. But at the end, this is the one more low that I'm still looking for it at anyway. Meaning, even if you are in a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, you still need this low. And if you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, also you're still looking for this one more low. Yep, so very likely that this one more low might happen. It can happen, of course, once this correction is confirmed, done, and finished, then okay, we look for one more low. But we gotta be careful, it might still have one more high here before we push for lower. How we make sure that we are bearish here and we're looking for one more low? Well, this is exactly our confirmation for lower prices, which is at $0.86 for SUI. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.